How excited are you to be reuniting with Maddie and then, yun nga, si Danny tsaka si Dina, magiging teammate mo?
Grabe na kasi yung improvement talaga nila as individual players and as a team. So, para nakaka-excite makasama kung makita yung maturity nila inside the court. Kasi when I played with them, I was one of their seniors. So, ngayon sila na yung seniors sa team nila. So, ano kaya yung mga nagbago sa kanila? But definitely, syempre, babies pa rin sila para sa amin. Sila pa rin yung mga younger na inaalagaan namin before. Pero syempre, pagdating sa loob ng court, pantay-pantay kami. So, for sure, dadalhin kami ng mga batang doon. Condition. Just malapit na UAAP din.
Jessie, marami kang ginagawa sa buhay mo ngayon. You're an architect, you're a businesswoman, but somehow you still find a way to put volleyball in your schedule. How does it feel na despite yun nga, jam-pack yung schedule mo, nakakapagbigay ka pa ng iyong sarili and your effort, your time for the game of volleyball?
For me kasi, kaya ko rin siya na-squeeze in sa schedule. Kasi for me, it's flattering and it's an honor to be playing with great athletes, ganun. So for me, it's natural na rin na parang makasama yung volleyball sa schedule ko. Kasi kapag, di ba, pag love mo rin, it's part of your life na. So, ayun.